Kapin mo yung belt mo, ha? Okay, lagyan mo lang, bigyan mo ng halaga yung belt na to kasi pinapagawa mo. Unang-una, ilang buwan mo rin ito tinitraining. No? So, simula ngayon, magiging green belt ka, papalitan na natin yung white belt. Okay? Maraming witness na deserve naman sa ito. Okay? Pinatunayan ng 34 years old Lady Mashida. Okay? Kita nyo? Okay. Very good. Huh? Yay! 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 Okay. Okay. Up! Yay! 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 Yan ang sukatan niya ng katawan niya. Pag bumaba yan,
Nangayayat na.
kumain siya. Pag lumit yan, ang gaya ko, tumaba ulit. Okay? Okay.
Sport Athlete Karate Club, PARCA, Madabdal, Mabalacat City, Republic of the Philippines, recognized by the government under SEC number CL2012058892, member PAMAG MKA PKF. Certificate be known that Melissa D. Baking, having passed the examination and having complied with all other requirements of this organization, is hereby awarded the rank of Green Belt. In witness whereof this certificate number 021 is further awarded as a testimonial of honest and faithful service of the earnest karate given this 26th day of January in the year of our Lord 2013. Signed, Sensei Bong C. Pineda, Sparta Instructor, MKA, 3rd degree black belt, Shotokan black belt.